All right, guys, shower is nearly complete. Last piece of tile for it will be the tileable drain. Grate here. We're gonna pull the plastic, prep everything. DeLorean gray will be the color of the grout. We're going to silicone the sides of the shower as well as where the curb butts up to the floor. Prep, 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 grout, grout, grout. The wall-mounted toilet is going in now. We're going to tile the back of it and then install this toilet. So yeah, quite a bit of a mess, but we're gonna clean up, grout, make everything look pretty. Here we go. Okay guys, everything's prepped. Time for a grout party. Then we come and sand everything, spray some texture, and that's pretty much it for today. So everything's prepped. DeLorean gray is the color via Prism. Not a lot of joints. It'll be a quick 1 hour grout job. Here we go. Okay guys, we're finishing up the final touches of this bathroom remodel. Vanity going in, toilet goes in today, baseboard as well. We just sealed this shower, gonna run some silicone where the two walls meet. Installed 2 LED lighted mirrors as well. All right guys, the project is finally complete. This one took a little longer than usual, 2.5 weeks. A complete change of footprint, relocating 3 vent pipes under the subfloor, relocating the valve for the shower as well. Beautiful bathroom, let's take a look. We'll first start with the floor. Large, 15 by 30 inch concrete look, porcelain tile at a straight pattern. Everything is nice and flat. New baseboard, installed this large and heavy vanity. 250 pounds. We had to pull this up the stairs. Not fun, but beautiful vanity. Soft closed drawers. Double undermount sinks. We have brushed nickel faucets. Installed LED mirrors as well. Look over here, we installed a wall-mounted toilet. We framed this out, tiled it, trimmed it out with Schluter Jolly, mounted to the wall to save on space. Let's take a look at this beautiful shower. Again, the same tile flowing all the way into the shower. Grout joint up the middle, Straight pattern. As you can see, our niche is placed between the bottom and top tile, trimmed out with Schluter Jolly. Looks super clean, your concrete look. New valve, raise the shower head. Pan tile, large format, proper pitch and proper slope with a tileable, removable drain here. Super clean look. Cap the curb off with quartz, low profile, 3.5 inches by 3.5 inches. Beautiful shower, beautiful bathroom. Our clients are extremely happy. We like how this turned out. We're going to collect a check, go to the dump, enjoy a very nice long lunch, and move on to the next project, which will be Monday. Today's Thursday. We will take a 3-day weekend. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell icon so you get notified, smash the like button. It really does help, and I'll see you guys in the next one.